it's just Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with Creative Nails. Theme for this month is Valentine's. I am going to be doing this set of nails right here. We got this In Your Face Pink by Beauty. Let me find it. This is number P364. I don't think the camera's caught up with me yet. There we go. That is a beautiful, beautiful pink. Love it, love it, love it. My white is also by Beauty. It is number Y002. And it is white. White, white, white. My base is also by the same company. I am not an ambassador. I just happen to like their products. We are going to be putting some hearts on, which is by Charlie's Nail Art.co.uk. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's company. My code is NailedIt10. I will put that across the screen somewhere. Also, my codes are also in the description box of every video. These are beautiful. Here they are in the tray. I got 2 female envelopes with hearts on them, and then I'm going to put this red heart. This heart here is by BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. I am a brand ambassador for Brandy's company, BRC Nails, where you can save yourself 10% off at checkout. Use my code CherieBaby, as in like Cherry Baby 10, but it's CherieBaby 10, SHEREE. 2 E's at the end, folks. We're also going to be using some stickers. Got these from Amazon, I do believe. I think these are really cute. Really cute. But I'm also going to apply, I know these are stickers, but I'm also going to be applying some glue gel from She Modern. Just cause. I want like an extra sticky base. Not in all of them, but I'm still going to do, because I'm not really sure right now where I'm putting what. Except for the big red one, it's going to go on the white nail. That I do know. Maybe some hearts down here. Not really sure. So we'll put that down there just to be safe. We're going to give this a 30-second cure. Well, now I'm going to talk to you about my giveaways I got going on. I have two giveaways going on where you can win the black and the white sticky stamping polish by SheModern.com. Tina has graciously sent me 7 sets. There's a black and a white in here. If you don't know about the sticky stamping polish, please check out She Modern Saturday, where I run a series of She Modern products for each weekend. I do a manicure using She Modern products. Lately I have been using the sticky stamping polish. Also, I've used the pigments. I've used watercolors. You can enter on any giveaway or any video. It doesn't have to be the giveaway video. You can enter on any of them. All you have to do is say, well, all you have to do is be a new subscriber. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below that you have subscribed, and you can win the sticky stamping polish. If you send a subscriber to my channel and they subscribe, you can enter to win. This is the second giveaway. You can enter to win some Swarovski crystals. Put this in. I'm still waiting for those to come in the mail. That's why I've not showed those yet. I got them from a girl that I know in, I believe she's in South Carolina. She's in one of the Carolinas. So I'm going to spread my stuff out here a little bit so I can work. Really cute. Whoops. Really cute. I'm going to get the sticker that says I love you and put underneath. Oops. There we go. I love you. Ah, I couldn't get it back on. Okay, I do want to have a bling nail. I want to have some hearts on the nails. You know, the heart to hearts. What else can we put on here from the stickers? Stickers. Let me get this one right here. Whoops. Ah! My goodness. I do want to put wait, shoot. What? Oh my goodness. Oh, woe is me. It didn't want to pick up. But the heart wants to come with it, and I don't want the heart with it. It's the heart sequin. Man. It's no time for you yet. Look at my stand now. I think that's cute. Cute. Trying to get a bit bopping around here, so I gotta put some hearts on. Gotta put some hearts on. Put some hearts on. Ah, I'm having a hard time. These are too cute. You can get these, I hope you remember, at Charlie's Nail Art .co.uk. These are too cute. I'm going to top coat these so they do get stuck down with the quickness. With the quickness. With the quickness. I'm going to stick these in the lamp. Give them a little quick cure. I don't know what I'm doing. Back to this. Look at them at the piano. Playing a love song. How do you like that one? What girl don't like her dude, her man, sing her a love song? this nail here, let me get my mat to stay still. Model 1, it says nail glue gel. It is for rhinestones. And we're going to hold this big baby on with it. I've got my trusty little flashlight out over here. Oh shoot, that man. Told you I'm a clumsy girl. Here is my trusty flashlight. Okay. We're gonna pop this on. Give it a cure. We will also top coat the popper in the lamp. But I want to do this, make sure she is, you know, where she's gonna stay while she's here in front of me. Because if I pop her in the nail like this, I don't believe she'll get a proper cure. I could be wrong, but I'm not gonna take that chance right now. We're gonna do this, have the flashlight on her, turn her as we go, and get a good proper cure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like your content. And leave me a comment down below. Your comments are always, always welcome. I've kept my mouth shut, but I'm going to say something. Last week, I had a really nasty comment left. It's been deleted, so don't go looking for it. Normally, I don't delete comments. I love constructive criticism. I love input. But this one was just downright nasty. That isn't acceptable. It will not be tolerated. And it will be deleted. Just saying. So I'm going to top coat my nail. Get a nice bead going on the nail, top coat it all around. Yes. We're also going to top coat over our Fimos. I have some crystals sitting up over here to the side. I did dump accidentally. Oh, forgot about my nail here. My Swarovskis and some ABs. And this is horrible to say, but I'm not sure which is which. I think they got mixed. And I know I should be able to tell. Some of them I can't really easy. Some of them, yeah, not so much. So, you may see a manicure where one sneaks in. Never know. don't know where to put it. Gotta put one up there. Whoops. Then I'm just gonna put one stone. On each nail. Less is more, right? At least that's what I was told recently about a manicure I was gonna do. Here we are. We're gonna pop our lamp, give her a full 60 seconds. Alright, here we are, fresh and out of the lamp. I think these turned out really cute. Love the Fimos. Less is more. I think these turned out really cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out the giveaways that's going on. That's a couple of Saturdays back videos, I believe, but they're easy. Rules are simple. Must be 18. For the one, you must be a subscriber, live in the USA, and leave me a comment and let me know that you subscribed. I've gotten a subscriber or two recently that they did not leave me a comment. I don't know who they are, which makes me feel bad because I can't enter them because I don't know who they are. The other giveaway is if you give me a subscriber, you send one my way and they subscribe and they let me know you sent them, you get entered in for the Swarovski giveaway. So it should be coming in the mail any day now. I think these are really cute for Valentine's Day. So remember, the bling here is brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Go check out Brandy's website. Use my code at checkout, CherieBaby. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen, as well as it's in the description box. The hearts here are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. charliesnailart.co.uk. Use my code there at checkout, NailedIt10, all caps. So here we are for today. That is our video. There should be a comment pinned with a playlist to everybody that took part that did a video. Otherwise, on Instagram, there are pictures of everybody who did a picture, a manicure. There's more there than there is here. So you can go to JUST.NAILEDIT. You'll see the collage, the collage there. The collage. And you'll see everybody that took part in the collaboration. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a blessed day and thank you.